Yeah, how is it going over there? I'm Babs, and this is AI Infotech channel where we deal with what technicality and what in technology. Where we talk about various courses in IT. What we explain, give the best explanation for you to go for you to better understand how it works. And so this one we will be talking about navigation, how you can navigate to Windows Server services. So many people find it difficult to operate on servers. Getting in touch um with some interface is a very hard thing to do to some people who are new, and to some people who don't know that this kind of thing exists in Windows Server 2016. This is for you. And before I dive in into the word into the class, I would like to introduce some useful tools for you creators, or to whoever who is interested in the tools that they think is what it might be very useful for them. Now, this is what Human Intelligence Studio. This is a software that is used for making videos. Have you woman spokespeople in video saying exactly what you want in a minute. All you just need to do is write your script, paste your script in it, set the video and every set. Check, you choose your woman and everything everything is set. You as well want to edit videos, you want to edit your video. This is very suitable tools for you to use to edit your video successfully. And you as well want to hire a freelancer. You want to hire a services that will help you to carry out some jobs successfully. Fiverr is for you. Fiverr is very good, and it's a very good one which I've been using for a while now, and I'm really enjoying it. Like you want to hire graphic design, digital marketing, writing and translating video and animations. You want to hire people for your new business, branding and the other thing. Like I've been getting comments in my channel, people asking me how they can go their new business. Fiverr is the place for you, and Fiverr can really help you out. I won't say Fiverr is the best, as someone has said here in my comment section. If I could still keep track of it, if I can, I will move on. He made a statement and said, if I could just keep track of the word of the comments, to be really nice. Okay, I think because of our time, if I start searching now, it's going to take a lot of time. The person actually said he thinks Upwork is more good than Fiverr. I'm not saying any of this is bad and any of it is good. They all have their differences. Actually, in this Fiverr, I've seen so many cases that I see it more easy for me to use. I don't know what is good for you, might be kind of bad for others. So it might not be on the same way. But I could know that number one, Fiverr, if you want easy interface, Fiverr is for you. Friendly interface. You could be able to talk to the support, and they will get back to you very fast. In fact, they attend to situation very, very fast. They don't play with their TOS, and for they're able to get back your money from seller that could not handle the job very well, and introduce you to a new one, which I see that is very, very good and very, very effective. And there are so many things they could do. Like they have the sellers, they have a flexible sell rates that they will give it to you according to your monetary capability, they won't give you any. And if you also want an expert, expert for it, then you should be able to pay a very high amount of money. They will exactly give you what you requested for, and it should be case they didn't even meet up with the set work. You can request for a money back, and they will do it very instantly. So Fiverr is a place for you if you want to, you can give it a try. I'm not supposing, you can give it a try and see how it works, and you can know what I'm really talking about. So there are so many things there you can do. They can help you to grow your business, and so many services. You can even join the affiliate program and everything, which I have the links, all the links. If you want to join, you want to order for your services, and you want to grow your business, you want to get some special services that will help you enhance your business. You just check the description on this video, and you will see what I'm talking about. I have an email listing here. I have a secret thing I want to show you. I call it's called secret email system. How you can get revenue sales on your products, how you can make sales relaxing while the BIG is working for you. All you just need to do is to build a list, mail the list, and get paid. It's just two things. Can you see manually? Can you see the stress you go through? And can you see just two to three things you do here and you start getting paid? Now, build a list. These are all automated. Mail the list, and you start getting paid on your business, and you get the good you are aspiring for. It's not cost. It's an ebook, and it's just for 5.cc. I think that will not take a lot from you, and to get this kind of knowledge. And I also have one here for marketers. You want traffic, Flex for you. Get the software and get a pay whenever someone click on their mouse. Now the software is you get your pay link once you buy the software. This is the link that we are getting paid $20 or more every time someone click on it, regardless if they buy anything or not. You will even earn more while you are getting traffic. Paste it once you have copied your special pay link. Paste it into the software. Then send the traffic. Turn on the built-in traffic to start flooding your pay link with free clicks. That is free for you. And should be in case you're a video gamer, you are in need of gift card, or beauty passion, you want to buy stores online on Jumia, Amazon, and every other e-commerce website like eBay, Google Play. You want a gift card, you are selling, and it's very, very active and does not have any user information or any other information needed. Amazon, we set code to your email and you get it instantly. You say Amazon, Xbox, iTunes, Steam, in case you want marquees, and so many more. Just all type of gift card is what we want to sell. We also sell ebooks on MCSA, A+, M+, MCSA, cyber security, ethnical hacking, school, and so many on like that. We also have a tools that is very, very useful for you. It's very, very useful for you. If you don't have any choice than to work on computer, you will need it. You need UbiCode, security, password recovery, password reset, and all those tools that are in for you to make your life very, very easy. We have sell keyboards and all those things, which if you are very close to us, we can deliver it to you very, very fast. And we can also get you cameras for your video. When you are a content creator, you need a camera. You can get an iPod, you can get a Mac, a full gear, and deliver it to your doorstep. In case you want a software, you can deliver that to you as well. Yeah. Okay. Definitely, if you are still continuing to watch this video, you actually want this to end, and you want to see this through to the end. forget to leave a comment in the section below, and if there's any video you want us to make for you based on CCNA, MCSA, contact and any other videos that you would like us to introduce to you, or that you are having difficulties in handling, you should write it in the comment section of this video, and we will try our possible best to work tirelessly in making your life very easy. As you know, we deal with technicality in technology. So as I said earlier on, in today's class, what we'll be talking about is navigation. I will just like introduce to newbies how you can navigate on Windows Server 2016 for a very easy to use interface. It's not easy to watch, it's not easy to use this service, as it's very technical, and it takes more light explanation for you to get these things right. So I will show you some good stuff here, how you can navigate to it, show you if you want to do this, if you want to do that, and what you need to do this, what you need to do that is what I really want to show you in this card. Can you just kindly come with me while I show you all these things? I would like try to put this in a full screen so that I can see it clearly, and move on like that. Okay guys, now this is the dashboard of Windows Server 2016. We have 2019, and we have the old versions, but this is for 16, which I'll be introducing in this class. There's so many things, cool stuff you need to do. All you need to, once you get the software, you can get it in OS version, you can get it in ISO version, and once you installed it, as a newbie, you'll be thinking, what is the next to do when you are seeing this kind of thing? It's an inbuilt. A server is an inbuilt it has an extra feature to manage network effectively and successfully. So I will navigate through these places here, through this interface. Oh my god, see explaining them one by one for you, and I'll try my possible best to go in depth. Now this is a dashboard. It's asking you to welcome to the server manager, and when you are getting to this dashboard in the first place, in the first time, you'll be thinking, what is the next thing I'm going to do? It has already give you a guideline on how you can start. This is the dashboard. This is the local server. This is all servers. This is the Active Directory domain services. This is the DHCP. This is the local this means directory of the server, whereby you are able to do some specific tasks successfully. This is DNS, domain name word system, and the file and storage services. So many things you can do. We have the manage. These are in case you want to add rules and features. What is rules and features? There are some features that you need to do on the server, like you want to do some specific tasks, like adding Active Directory domain services for the management of your files and network. So many the AdWords and features has a lot of things that you can do in it. This man here, this guy here has a lot of things you can do in it. And what you need to do is to know the right tasks you want to carry out. And once you know the right tasks to carry out, then the features that is needed to carry out that task is what is also needed. And where you can find it is here. So do you know how I get here in the AdWords and feature? Once you go to log in, you can see it's in the manage section. What I say, the manage section. Click on the manage section. You click on the AdWords and features. So click on the AdWords and features. Click on the next to see. Select the solution type. You can install rules and features on a running physical computer or a virtual machine. Like I am on the VirtualBox. I run this one. I run the Windows Server 2016 ISO file on this VirtualBox, and that's what I've been using to do all the classes. This is just the news as well as some introductions for you to understand more on Windows Server. the rules based or feature based installation. Configure a single server by adding rules and what and features. Click on next. Now this is my server. I've already put in place my I've added my server and put it to a domain controller, which I have a Active Directory successfully installed on my on my VirtualBox or in my Windows Server 2016 on the VirtualBox. So it should be in case you are finding it because you don't know how you can add the Active Directory to users and users and computer, or you want to point your server into a domain controller. Check my videos. That is very easy to use. It will take you to how you can install the Windows Server 2016, and as well how you can point the server into the domain controller successfully. Now, Active Directory domain service is a very important tool which stores information about objects on the network and makes this information available to users and network administrators. Active Directory domain system uses domain controller to give network users access to permission. There's so many things you can do in Active Directory. You can set permissions, create users, create groups, do display quotas. These are the places you can do all these things, because this guy here has a lot of things you can do. You can set in login and sign in, and so many kind of things you can do. There are so many features you can add. There are so many roles you can add depending on the task you want to do. Like I said earlier, you want Active Directory certificate, Active Directory Foundation services, Active Directory lightweight directory service, Active Directory right management services, device attestation. So many things you want to do, like remote services, remote desktop services. You want to do so many things that will help you to carry out to SaaS successfully. Is in the manage box. See here, so many things. This is the tools you need to click on in order to add the roles. Is in the manage interface. So you click on it to add. Now there's nothing that does not have add that doesn't have remove. If you want to as well remove, you find it in case you want to remove the features, you don't want it anymore. You find it in the manage box. Click on the word you remove, and you'll be able to reverse all you have been done, all you have added to this to the server successfully. Can you see next? So if you want to remove this, I won't be removing this because it cost me a lot of problem. I'll just show you. You want to click on it, you click on next, and it will reverse everything successfully for you. You want to add servers, adding servers to servers. So many kind of things you can do, or what you can do on this, which I might not be able to go in there. Or there's some things that I will explain here. But if you could try and just enroll on this on the one-on-one classes, the one-on-one classes will help you a lot, and I'll be able to expand the courses in a very extensive way, adding servers to Windows servers, adding so many things, adding Windows computer to servers. So many things I will be able to explain to you on a lighter weight. Can you see? Adding servers to servers, you add another server to another servers. So many things that can be done. It should be the case. You as well want to create a server group. You could use the manage button as well. Server managers property. Now, after you've done all these things, there are some way you need to carry out some tasks. After you've add all these rules and features, where are these features going to? Where can I find it? You'll be wondering, oh, how can I get these tools? How can I start using them? Okay, that's why I make this video, to make you understand how you can do it, to make you understand how you as my audience can work and benefit from this video. That's why I have a lot of list of videos in my channel that you can use to help yourself successfully for this kind of task. So where would you go to if you need specific features that you have already had in this in the server? You find it in the tool interface tools. This guy has a lot of tools. Oh my god, depending on the numbers, depending on those tools that you want. Can you see this guy has a lot of tools? a lot of tools. Sorry, I think I mistakenly tap into a what? Let me tell you. Tap into a tools features. Now look at it. Active Directory users and computer. There are so many tools. This is where you will find all those features you've added to the server. You want to like set up the DHCP, disk cleanup, DNS, event viewer, file server resources management, group policy management, and look at security policy, Microsoft Azure services. So many things. You want to add printers, resources monitor, services, which will work. I will try my possible best to go through these features to show you how to do some of these features. System configuration, system information, task schedule, window firewalls with advanced security, Windows memory. You know, you can also use PowerShell. All you need to do is just click on it, and you get so many things done in this place. And that is that. Now you want to watch in the view section. Where are you going to get there? You can zoom in and zoom out. Zoom in 5 should be in case you are long-sightedness or short-sightedness. This zoom session is for you. Or you're wondering, how can I see this clearly with my high situation? So you could just do all those things. It should be in case you cannot see it clearly, you can zoom it more for you to be able to see it clearly. I think this is too close for me, and I would like to take it back. Okay, so the app section, server manager app, like you want app on server manager, Windows Server Marketplace, Windows Server Tech Center, and server management forum. Let's check the Windows Server Marketplace and see if you can get a good stuff to talk about. In the marketplace, I think you'll be able to buy some things that will help you, that will be able to carry some tax done. So you can wish other vendors in order to get those things. Now about server manager, you can get to know about this one, about server manager, and to do all that tasks. Then the local server. The local server is where you could set up the names of the names, the work group, or you can update this server to check if there's any latest update. Because if you're not updating, you are causing your server a lot of issues, and that is what a lot of stress for you. So we try and check. If you want to update, this is where you go to the local server section. The local server section has the interface wherever you can set your server name, set your domain name, and set the time. The time has to do with the server. Server has to work in real time, but some don't. Anyway, you can download a new version, last check, and every other thing. You can get this information here. Window firewalls, remote management, remote desktop, NIC teaming, and all those things for your work, for your use. Wait time settings, on time zone, product, and every other things you could do here. There are a lot of cool really stuff that you can do on Windows Server 2016. So it depends on what you want to do. You set your time zone, your product key to see if it's activated. Make sure it's activated for proper management. And this is where you get the event of what is going on in your server, what is going on. You know where you get a error, or you get a warning, and so many things like that. I need to be seeing it here. You'll be seeing everything. The system. This is where you get more information about what is happening to your server, so that you could be able to attend to it very, very fast, and you will have issues. And when there's issue, this is where you're going to find out. Can you see it's saying access is denied? So this is where you get reports, and this is how you get resolution. This is how you know what to do in order to get a resolution. These are the services. Windows services, the name of the server, the display name, wired auto config, window modules, so many things here. DHCP services, the services that are on, that are working, that are not working. This is the place where you can stop a running services. This is a place where you can trigger off a a service. You can start the services. You can stop the services in this session in case you don't want the services anymore. Can you see I have a I think I have a network policy here, network policy services. There's so many services here that you can stop it from working, and as well that you can on it for work for that you can stop it from working and stop it for working and on it for working. There's so many cool things you can do on your Windows server. Once you know the right place to go, then you get the right thing you need to make happen. There's so many things you can do. Storage tiers management. You see, you can on this, you can start the services. Can you see I just on the services? So there's so many things. Best practice analyzer. So many things you can do. The performance of your server. This is where you know if you need to get more things done on your server. Like the performance, if your performance is so low, if you need more RAM, this is where you're going to know if it's getting slow. So many information that you can get on this local server. Local server is also a way of getting more information about what is happening to your server. And we have all servers as well. I'll still go back to the dashboard. This is where you see the IP address of your server, and is on. Like I want to check if it's tallying with what is here. Then if it's not, then this is a static, and the other one is wireless. I mean Wi-Fi, wireless connect. CND. Can you see I press Windows? Let me show you how I do that. Windows once you press Windows type CND, it's going to bring your administrative data. Then you want to click on IP config. What's IP config? You're going to bring out your IP address. Can you see that is tally? If you want to set your IP address and you don't know where to go to, if you can't set it here at the low, here at the local server, if you can't set it up here in this interface here, you just come here, right click on it, and it's going to bring up but the best place for you to set your IP address is here. Right click here to put network and share center. Change your data settings. You're able to share your data settings. You right click on this internet, then properties. Once you click on properties, then you choose the IP version, then properties. You'll be able to set your IP address successfully. And you're good to go. So that's how the navigation key works. So so a lot of cool things what you can do on this so this is the Active Directory section, Active Directory domain services, where you can do a lot of things, add and fixtures, shut down the local server, computer management. You can from here get your computer management. This is where you can extend your disk and add add additional volume to your disk in the computer management section. Let me open it for you so you can see how this thing works. I'm just trying to navigate all through, trying my possible best to reach the important place for you that you need most. Computer management, system tools. You see the performance. This is where you see more details about the disk, the storage. Can you see the storage? See your storage here. This management. service and applications. This is where you get more services about your server. These are the services that is embedded. Can you see a lot of services that is embedded in this word, in this in this server? You are going to find it in your in your computer management. Can you see the one that is running and the one that is not? This is where you go to do all those things. So that's that on that work on that. You can as well get your computer management from tools here. Can you see computer management? So it's a very easy thing to do. So what else can you do on Active Directory? You can open the administrative center. So there's a lot of things you can do. In it. Active Directory users on computer. So many things you can do here that will help you get a good result, in especially you are pressing the right interface to reach the right destination won't be hard. Now this is DHCP, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, like online word, automatic dynamic getting your IP address from the internet. So you can as well work on Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi This is the DNS. The DNS speaks a lot about what the domain name system of the word of the server and the file storage. It should be in case you want to file storage is a way of you. Let me explain to you this. File storage speak about how you can protect your file for a failure. Like when you do a storage pool, like you set up a storage pool, the storage pool will help you to duplicate all your files into the numbers of hard disks you have, into the number of hard disks you have attached to your server. And when one hard disk fail, another one will come into play. So there won't be a need of boss having to tell you, oh my god, boss having to tell you to get your boss having to fire you for that kind of failure, because it's going to cause the company a lot of issues. So when you set the storage pool will be help you to protect the file and a form of backup, though it's not backup directly. It's just like a way of changing hand. When one disk fail, another one will take over. Since the file is what is replicated in all those disks. That's how the storage pool works. How you can do so many things in this storage pool. You can add volume to your storage pool. You can create a volume, add a volume, subtract a volume in this place here. You can add a volume, you can use a new share, you can extend the volume, and you can delete the volume. Extending the volume means you are expanding the numbers of the gig. Click on extend. Let's see how it works. New size, let's say 3 gig. Okay, the size must be less. Okay, we are extending. I think this is too low for me to add 500 MB. Okay, fixed. Let me use this. I can extend this one. I can say 10 gig. Okay, this is the system user. I can't extend this. Let me try putting this. Extend 500 gig. Okay, the new size must be less than or equal than the maximum size. Okay, let's say 5 gig. A lot of things you could do here, maybe because my physical disk is not attached to this. And you can come here as well and do this. Go to the this, go to storage pool. You can create a new storage, like storage pool, whereby you are joining all the hard disks, comprising them in one, and all the files will be in the replication on the hard disk. You can create a new storage pool by using this interface. I'm not trying to like show you how to create a new storage, but I'm trying to show you where to go in case you are asked to do that kind of thing. You are asked to do it, so you know the right place to go when you are doing, write the name and all those things. Then you set it up completely, and every file the word will be attached to it. Just make sure that you add all the hard disks, all the physical hard disks to the server, and you'll be able to compress everything in one, and you get your work protected, whereby one fails, another one will join. So that's that on this. So in case you want to know more, like you want me to go extensively, you can enroll to our one-on-one classes, whereby I will be seeing you, you'll be seeing me on Zoom, and I will be able to take you through how you can set this up on your own. There won't be anyone disturbing us, on your own. And at least you could select 2 to 3 people to start the class, even one will start the class, and I can show you. You have your own lab, then we'll set those things up, and we'll be able to take you through all the full classes as this is concerned. Yeah, that's that on that. Okay, I've already shown you how to add. You can even add the roles and features here. If you don't want to go to manage, you can add server to manage, add other servers to manage. You can create a server group from here, and this guy here has a lot of services here that you can do, you can work with, you can play around, so many things. Okay, your file, you want to get a file, this is where you go to. Your desktop is here, your document is here, download, so many things, your C drive, new volume, so many things that you can do. You can get all your files there easily. You can make research, more research on your own, and for you to know how this really works, how you can navigate to Windows Server 2016 and get your works done. Don't forget, if there's any video you would like me to do, any video pertaining to IT, that you would like me to want to introduce to you, and that you will like, which I'm sure you will like it, because I will take my time to explain everything, and I will do the work, and I will upload, and you people will view it. Thank you very much for taking your time to go through this video. Thank you for your support, thank you for your likes and comments, thank you for so many things, thank you for the subscription and every other thing what you've added onto me. I really appreciate you guys, it means a lot to me. Thank you so very much. Now you can use what this the link in the description below to get yourself those tools, as well as get Fiverr services. Just try it and you will know what I'm speaking of. Thank you, and wait on to the next class. Okay, before I move out of this place, I will show you one last thing, how you can shut this down. Go to the right here and then right click, shut down. So once that is done, continue. And it goes. So thank you for your time, and I would like to hear more from you. Bye.